Hello and welcome back to GoHighLevel Mastery course. This is Snan from ZortLogics. In this video, I'll show you how to properly sync Google Calendar and Zoom with GoHighLevel calendars. Most people connect these tools and move on. But if you don't understand how this sync actually works, you end up with double bookings, missing Zoom links, broken appointment systems. So in this video, I won't just show settings. I'll explain what each integration does and why it matters in real client setups. Let's jump to the screen and set this up the right way. Okay, so first of all, let's see how we can connect Google Calendars with GoHighLevel. Right now, you can see that this test appointment is not visible on our GoHighLevel calendars. So this is what we are going to achieve after setting this up. So first of all, we'll have to go to settings and then go to my profile. There's the calendars. You'll have to add new. You can connect any of these calendars, Calendly, iCloud, Outlook or Google. In this case, we are going to connect Google Calendar. And then we need to authenticate using any of our Gmail. So let's authenticate using this email. We'll have to give permissions. It's mandatory and it will be connected. So now you can see the Google Calendar has been connected over here. And there's one other option, that is conflict calendars. This is used to see that in the same slot, is there any appointment booked on any of the conflict calendars. Right now we have two calendars. Even if the appointment is being booked on this calendar, it will also check this calendar as well on that time. If there is a double booking, it will not allow the user to book on that time. And now as we have connected correctly with GoHighLevel, let's check this appointment is available on GoHighLevel's calendar or not. So let's shuffle the tabs. So it's not there. So let us check what we are doing wrong. We have not selected any conflict calendars here. So we'll have to add it, select the calendar and save it. And now if we recheck that, the appointment will be there. See? So this is how you can connect the Google calendars correctly. Now let's move on to Zoom or Google Meet. So there is a setting for video conferencing. We can add a new option from here. We can connect to Zoom, connect to Google Meet. Right now we have connected both of them. So we will have to disconnect one of them first and then we'll show you how we can connect them. Add new, click on connect. We'll have to authenticate the same way as we have already done. We'll have to allow the permissions and it will be connected. And now we will have to select the Zoom wherever it was selected in the past. We'll have to go to calendars. And I would recommend you should check all the running calendars, all the active calendars. Go to edit and go down. So you must check that meeting location is selected to Zoom or Google Meet, whatever you are using. So it is mandatory, because if it's not selected, whenever an appointment is booked, there will be no link with the appointment. Right now, as I can show you, the meeting that has been booked, we can see that on Zoom. So if the Zoom is not selected in the calendar, the meeting will not be shown on the Zoom and the overall flow will be broken. So this is what we are going to achieve when we select all the things correctly. The loop will be running smoothly. So now you have seen how Google Calendar and Zoom sync with GoHighLevel calendars and how appointments are handled automatically. If your sync is clean, availability stays accurate, Zoom links are created automatically, your booking system stays reliable. Before using this with the real clients, always test one booking yourself and make sure everything appears correctly in Google Calendar and Zoom. This is simple but yet very critical for every kind of business. In the next video, we'll collect calendars with workflows and notifications to complete the automation. If you're here to learn GoHighLevel the professional way, make sure you stay connected. See you in the next lesson.